Welcome to Grey Goat Hardware. In this video, we'll guide you through the installation of our premium patch locks. Designed for durability, security, and sleek aesthetics, these locks are perfect for residential and commercial glass doors. Grey Goat Hardware offers two premium patch lock series to meet diverse project needs. The GDL US series features an American-style cylinder, providing robust security and ease of use, while the GDL EU series boasts a refined European-style cylinder for sleek and modern designs. Both series are crafted from stainless steel, ensuring corrosion resistance and long-lasting durability. They are compatible with 3/8" tempered glass to 1/2" tempered glass, and are available in various finishes including brushed stainless, polished stainless, matte black, satin anodized, and satin brass. Patch locks and patch lock keepers require precise glass fabrication for flawless installation. Ensure proper cutouts are made as per the provided fabrication drawings for a seamless fit. Our patch locks can be installed using two configurations, floor mount or glass-to-glass mount. Let's have a look at floor mount installation. Start by loosening the set screws of lock cylinders. Now remove the lock cylinders and cover plates. Ensure proper alignment and install the patch onto the glass door. Secure the lock cylinder with the provided screw. Next, drill space for the bottom plate on the floor. Insert anchors, position the plate, and secure it with screws for a stable fit. Now, let's have a look at glass-to-glass mount installation. For glass-to-glass mounting, first align the patch lock with the glass door and secure it properly. Now, use the patch lock keeper. Remove the cover plates and attach the keeper to the adjoining glass panel. Align and secure the keeper for a seamless connection. Patch locks from Grey Goat Hardware are ideal for frameless glass doors in offices, residential spaces, and commercial installations. Their sleek design and robust functionality make them a versatile choice for any project. Enhance your glass doors with Grey Goat Hardware's patch locks. Visit ggshardware.com to explore our full collection or contact our sales team for expert guidance on your next project.